click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Hydrogen Christian. In this video, I have a good news for Nokia 8 users, so let's watch. Nokia 8 has started receiving its stable Android Pie update a month after it was scheduled to receive it. Nokia mobile brand license HMD Global revealed that the rollout has been delayed due to issues. It appeared that the issues have been resolved because HMD Global on Wednesday announced that the Android Pie update for Nokia 8 is now rolling out in phases. The update was originally scheduled for November but ended up delayed and released as a part of beta program. Sadly, the features such as adaptive battery, app actions and more digital well-being also is not supported, but that's mainly because the app only supports Android One devices at the moment. Gesture navigation is not included due to the hardware buttons, and the update also does not deliver Nokia's new camera interface. And friends, one thing more, the update includes December security patch. Nokia has remained totally silent regarding the Nokia 8 Sirocco, that more expensive device which is also a part of Android One program. Still lacks an official Android Pie update despite a previous promise that it would arrive in November. So friends, this is the latest news about the Android Pie update of Nokia 8. So I hope you will like the video. So subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.